so today we don't really have much going on, but I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown on both of the mud trucks and my daily driver sitting back there. So let's go ahead, let's jump into that. Okay, guys, so here's my mud truck right here. It's a 1977 Chevy K10 with a 454 in it with a turbo 350 transmission. There's nothing special, just a normal interior on it, a little beat up, but stay tuned because we'll be getting that all taken care of along with the whole truck. The truck used to be blue, but we changed it to gray. One thing that also is going to be coming pretty soon are some tires. These tires are pretty bald and aren't really doing that good anymore, but let's go ahead, we'll jump over to our buddy's Luke truck right here. So right here, I'll give you guys a view of this truck. Alrighty guys, so right here we have our buddy Luke's truck right here, and I'll give you guys a walk around. So he has some nice aluminum wheels with some boggers, which do really good. Underneath the hood, he has a 350 motor right here. Let me pull the light out so you guys can see it. Right there, it's a little bit dirty under here. We just got back from off-roading. And then in the truck, he has a full custom aluminum dash that he built for it. Let me go over to the other side and I'll show you guys. Alrighty guys, so we're back on the other side right here, and as you guys can see, he has many different things going on in here. So first, I'll flip this switch, show you guys his dash lights up right here. We'll go ahead and we'll flip on all of his lights for you guys to see in here. And then we'll go ahead, we'll kick the fuel pump on, and I'll go ahead and start it for you guys. So that's his truck right there. As you guys can see, his truck is pretty nice with that aluminum dash and his rims and tires. He also has a Yukon limited slip in the rear. So let's go ahead and we'll jump over to my daily driver. Alright, you guys, so we're over at my daily driver right here. As you guys can see, it is the name of the channel, the LML Duramax right here. It is a 2015 6.6 liter Duramax. It's a great truck. It's sitting on some 37 by 1250 by 20 fuel wheels with some Toyo RT tires. The tires, they're not the best, but they work. We got the amp steps on it right here. We got that tank still there, but it may or may not be active. Duramax right here, we just use her basically for my daily driving to go to and from work, but whenever we take those trucks out, we go ahead and we use it to tow that. So nothing too special over here. It's on a 6-inch Pro Comp lift, as you guys can see right there, with trusty old Chevy IFS. But big plans coming for this truck, so stay tuned for that, and big things coming for those trucks as well. Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap for today's video. As you guys saw, we got Luke's truck and my mud truck. Very big things coming for both those trucks. They might be racing, they might be tug-of-warring, we don't really know yet, but we have a couple trips coming up that we are going to be taking them with us, so stay tuned for that. But right here, we're going to go ahead and end that video. So please, if you like this video, please hit that button, that like button, and please subscribe. Peace.